everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I am Yuri. Today I will show you how to make datemaki. Datemaki is definitely New Year's food, but nowadays you can make any time. My mom buying datemaki all year round. I don't remember if I ever ate datemaki not New Year's time, but now people start eating it and it's very good, and I will show you how to make it today. This is my favorite oden ingredient, and it is light and fluffy. The small one is the regular sushi roll size, and I have big one, so I'm gonna use this big one this time. I lightly cut this way so it's easy to roll. If you use oven, usually the top side is getting brown, and I want to use brown part outside when finish rolling. But this one, the top part is not really a brown color, so I am using the bottom part, which is a little bit more cleaner, or the prettier side outside when it's rolled. So I slide the paper from this sushi mat. By the way, you can freeze whole thing. I hope you enjoyed my video today, and I hope you will make this delicious food at your home. If you like my video, please thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel. This is Japanese Cooking Lovers, and I am Yuri. Thanks for watching, and see you next time soon.